Today I'm going to show you how to make a pair of earrings in a very simple manner. So we're going to start with a couple of gemstone connectors and a couple of gemstone drops. These are amethyst and these are blue lace agate. And you have your wire findings and your jump rings. And with all that, we're going to make a pair of earrings. So the first thing you need to do is open your jump rings. So we're going to pick one up. We're going to get it into our pliers. And then we're just going to open it by taking 2 pairs of pliers, grabbing it, and twisting gently. And then like that, we're going to start from the bottom. So we're going to take our drop, put it on, and our gemstone connector and put it on. And then we're going to just close up the jump ring by doing the opposite of what we did in the first place. Just going to turn it like that. And we just want to make sure it's even, so we might need to adjust it a little bit. Good trick is to take it between both of the plier between both pieces of the jump ring there and just pressing it a little bit. We'll even it out. And then you can just, make sure it's closed all the way, because sometimes they're not all the way closed. So that gives us the main part of our earring there, the main body of our earring. And then from there, we're just going to attach this part with another jump ring. So we had to open up a jump ring. And these are really tiny, they're 4mm jump rings, so sometimes they can be a little difficult to work with just because they're so small. And you can just pop them open again like that, and then we're going to just put the gemstone connector on there and your earring finding. Now you don't have to worry about whether they're on the right way or wrong way, because they're going to be the same design on both sides. That's a good thing about working with these kind of connectors, is there's no right or wrong side for them. Those are called bezel gemstone connectors. You can Google them and you'll find some. So that right there is one completed earring. Now we just have to do the other half, and you'll have a set of earrings that you can wear for any occasion that you have. So all we have to do now, again, is open up another jump ring. So I'm just going to grab the jump ring right there and open it just like this. Just like that. Real gentle like. Put my gemstone connector right on there. And just like that. I want to give a shout out to gemmartusa.com for providing me with these gemstone connectors. This isn't a paid sponsorship or anything. They did not pay me to say their name. I just really, really like their gemstone connectors and want to give them a shout out. So yeah. But yeah, so you have the bottom part of the earring again, like that. And now we're going to open up our last jump ring. Real simple like. And I'm sure you got the gist of doing this already, since this is the last one. Just want to grab it and open it like that. Just like so. Connector on there. Earring on there. Now we're just going to close it up. Sure it's closed. Sometimes that happens. Alright, now you have your completed pair of earrings. Just like that. See how easy that was? Look how sparkly and shiny they are. Nice. Again, you got that blue crazy lace stone and that amethyst. I think they just go so good together. It's that easy to make a pair of earrings.